Hello, periods 1, 2, and 3. If you were absent today, I need you to download the 4-quadrant ordered pairs note sheet. It'll say coordinate plane notes in Canvas. And then there's a second thing for you to download. There's a practice as well. So it'll just say coordinate plane worksheet practice or area of polygon worksheet practice. So there's two things to download that we're going to work through today. Okay, follow along with the video so you know how to do these. Okay, coordinate plane. In elementary, you are used to seeing probably just this first quadrant. Everything is positive numbers. Okay, now as we look at this coordinate plane, you should see 4 squares. You see a square here, you see a square here, here, and here. These are called quadrants because quad means 4. Okay. When you plot points on a coordinate plane, I want you to write this down. First, you always go left or right. If you go left, those are negative numbers. If you go right, those are positive numbers. Okay. Second, you will go up or down. If you go up, those are positive numbers. If you go down, those are negative numbers. Okay. And then also, just put in here, you're always going to start at the origin. The origin is kind of like home base. We're going to start at 0, 0. Okay. If I kind of zoom in right where these two lines intersect, the x-axis, the y-axis, right where they intersect, that's the origin. That's home base. Okay. So we're always going to start at the home base. I'm going to keep it purple so we always know where we're starting. So again, if you always going to go left and right first. So if you go left, if you look left of the home base, those are negative numbers. If you look to the right, they're positive. Then you're going to go up or down. Up is positive, down is negative. Okay, I think we probably know that much. Oops, sorry. We probably know that much from elementary school. Okay, on this, it says, tell what point is located at each ordered pair. So on number 1, we're going to find the point that is located at a positive 5, positive 1. So again, we're going to start at the home base. Positive 5 means we're going to the right 5 spots. Positive 1 means we're going up 1. So that's a W. Let's look at number 2. Negative 4, negative 9. We always start at the origin. Negative 4 means we go left 4. Negative 9 means we go down 9. So we're at C. Let's look at number 3. Positive 5, positive 6. Start at home base, the origin. Positive 5 means we're going to the right 5. Positive 6 means we're going up 6. That's a G. Negative 6, positive 6 for number 4. Negative 6 means we're going to go to the left 6. Positive 6 means we're going to go up 6. So that's a U. You try the next 4. Pause the video. Try the next 4. And then unpause and see what you get. Okay, number 5 says negative 3, positive 6. Negative 3 means left 3. Positive 6 would mean up 6. That's a Y. Positive 4, positive 6. Positive 4 would mean right 4. Positive 6, up 6. That's an R. Number 7, positive 8, negative 7. Positive 8, we go to the right 8. Negative 7, we go down 7. V. And then positive 3, negative 3. Positive 3, right 3, negative 3, down 3. We're at B. Okay, so you're always going to go left or right first. If it's a positive number, go right. If it's a negative number, go left. And then you're going to go up or down second. If it's a positive number, go up. If it's a negative number, go down. Okay, now write the ordered pair for each given point. So now we're going to find K on the coordinate plane, and it's right here. I'm going to figure out the coordinates. Again, guys, we always start at the home base. And how do we get to K? We need to go left 7 spots. So that's going to be a negative 7. And then to get down there, we're going to go down 2. So negative 7, negative 2. I probably shouldn't write in yellow. Negative 7, negative 2, because we went left and then down. Let's look at J. Where's J on the graph? Okay. J is up here. How do we get way up here? Okay, we start at the origin, we start at home base, and we're going to go all the way to the right. So these are positive, so we go to 8, so that's going to be positive 8, and then we're going up, and that's positive again, and we go to 9. So positive 8, positive 9. Okay, do the same thing for N. Here's N. All right, to get to N, again, we start at home base. We're going to go left 5. That's a negative 5, and then we're going down again, which is going to be a negative 7. So negative 5, negative 7. Okay, pause the video, do those last 5, and then we'll see what you get. Okay, A, you should have got negative 4, positive 1. P, you should have got negative 7, positive 3. O, positive 7, positive 7. D, would be positive 8, down 1, negative 1. So positive 8, negative 1. And E would be negative 9 going to the left, negative 3 going down. Negative 9, negative 3. Okay, so hopefully that was a review. Okay. If not, there's lots of IXL practice problems for coordinate plane. Check them out. On the back, here's where we get into 6th grade standards, okay? So number 1, again, you only see the first quadrant of the coordinate plane, positive numbers only. Here's the origin, 0, 0, where the 2 lines intersect. Okay, we're always going to go obviously to the right first because there is no left, and then up second. So this is your X, this is your Y. Always remember X comes before Y in the alphabet. So you always go on your X-axis first, your Y-axis second. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We are going to first plot these, and it tells us the parallelogram. So it better look like a parallelogram when we're done. If it doesn't, we've done something incorrect. So let's plot these points. 0, 6. 0 means we stay right on the origin. We 0 left, 0 right. And then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, 6 would be right here. The next one is 6, 6. So 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to the right, and then 6 up. There's 6, 6. 10, 0. 10 to the right, and then 0 up, 0 down. Stays right there on the axis. And 4, 0. 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 means we don't go up or down. So there's my 4 points. And yes, you need to connect your dots to make your parallelogram. So there's the parallel sides. And there's the other parallel side. So there's my parallelogram. That's step 1. Now we're going to find the area. Top line, formula. Second line, substitute. Third line, solve. The base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. The height from the point straight down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units again. Base is 6, height is 6, the area is 36 square units. So now you've got to be able to plot these points and then find the area of the polygon. Okay, let's do another one. We're going to plot 5, 9. Always go to the right first. Right here is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 9. 7, 9. 5, 6, 7, up 9. 9, 3, to the right 9, 1, 2, up 3. And 7, 3, to the right 3, no, to the right 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's connect our dots. Okay, parallelogram. Area is base times height. Base, 2. Height, again, guys, go from the point straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area is 12 units squared. Okay, let's do another one. This says triangle. We're plotting 1, 2, to the right 1, up 2. 1, 3, to the right 1, up 3. 0, 2. 0, stay on the origin. Don't go left, don't go right, but go up 2. And that's an itty bitty small triangle. Okay. All right, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Switch it over. The base is 1, the height is 1. That was hard. 1 times 1 is 1. What is half of 1? What's 1 divided in half? Half. Okay, 0.5. And again, guys, if you look carefully, how many squares is that triangle? It is half of a square. Okay, let's see what this next triangle will look like if it's any bigger. Triangle. All right, here's the 3 to plot. 9, 9, to the right 9, up 9. 9, 10 would be to the right 9, up 10. Guess it's not going to be too much bigger. And 4, 9, to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 9 would be right there. Oops. I think it was right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay. Triangle. 1/2 base times height. The base is 1. The height, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One times 5 is 5. Guys, what's half of 5? Think of money. I always think of money. What's half of $5? If you got to give your brother half of your $5, what would that be? $2.50, right? 2.5 units. Okie dokie. Periods 1, 2, and 3. Those were your notes. Those were your practice. Okay. Your second link, that was like the back page of your coordinate plane. Your second link says area of polygons worksheet. So it looks very similar to what we just did. And you've got a few more practice problems. Okay. I'm going to let you practice 1 and 2. Those are both parallelograms on your own. Scooch down. 3 and 4, those are triangles. Okay, you're gonna do those today, not virtual, not tomorrow, today for practice. Go ahead and scooch down to number 5 and let me get you started on this one. Okay, you've got one just like this on your chapter 4 test. Okay, so let's pay close attention. Number 5 says plot these 4 points and label. So if you look at the numbers, they're a lot larger. And if you look at this graph, way over here is 10. If this is, I'm sorry, it's 100. If this is 0 and this is 100, each of these is 10. Okay, now we're going to plot the y-axis as well. These are going up by 10 as well. Okay. Let's plot these points. Give me just 1 second. Somebody's outside my room. Hey, what's up? I'm recording.
Sorry, can you help me?
Okay, you're going to have to ask another teacher. I'm recording. Okay, plot these 4 points and label. Okay, when it has, we're labeling A, B, C, and D. We're gonna put these on the coordinate plane and we're gonna also label them A, B, C, and D. A, I'm gonna plot 20, 0. Always go to the right and then up. So 20, 0. Right here, go ahead and label it A. B, 50, 0. 50 to the right, 0 up, label it B. C, 50, 60. So to the right, 50, up 60. D, 20, 60. To the right, 20, up 60. Okay. Go ahead, always connect your dots because we're making a shape. Okay, so we've got a rectangle. Okay, now that was pretty easy. The next part, I just want you to pay close attention to. So we're now going to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Remember, perimeter is the distance around this perimeter. So it's the length plus the length plus the width plus the width. So let's figure that out first. 1, 2, 3 is the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is the length. So I have 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3. Although I don't. Pause. This is why I wanted to do it with you. Okay, think again. From D to C, that is not 3 units because we're counting by what? Tens. So right here is 10 units, 20 units, 30 units. So going down would be 10 units, 20 units, 30 units, 40 units, 50 units, 60 units. You have one like this on the test. When we're counting by tens, you also have to count by tens. So this is gonna be 60 plus 60 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, I know 60 and 60 is 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180 units for the perimeter of this rectangle. Now, same thing with area, length times width. So we know the length and width, it's not 3 times 6, it's 30 times 60, okay, or 1,800. So just pay close attention to this one. You've got one just like it on the test where you're gonna count by tens instead of ones like we've normally been doing, okay? Here's what I'd like for you to do. Go back up, do numbers 1 through 4, and then for practice. And then tomorrow, you will be working on a study guide for virtual.